I'm Emily, and I'm here to help you change the domain name associated with your email account. Let's get started. Okay, make sure a few things are in place before the option to change your domain name is available. Be registered in the same account as your Microsoft 365 email plan. Have its DNS registered in the same account as your Microsoft 365 email plan. Not be set up on an existing Microsoft 365 organization. If you're good to go, let's change the domain on your email address. Scroll down on the Account Information section and select Edit. In the Username section, select Change Domain. Select the new domain name. Only available domains that meet the requirements for use on Microsoft 365 will display. You'll get a message letting you know that all users on these domains, the old one and new one, will be able to easily share contacts and files. Select OK, got it. Once you're done, select Save. You might be asked to update your password and create a new one. Enter and confirm your new password, then select Save and Continue. Just so you know, it can take up to 24 hours for your domain change to update. And if you have your email address saved in other devices, you want to make sure to remove the old one and add the new one. I'm Emily. Thanks for watching.